Hello guys, here is Zoe. Let's talk about the homework 3 question 4. You can see here we will use an 8-byte two-way set associative. Um, yeah, so we will have like two sets and I would say four lines or four blocks if you want to say it's blocks or cage line, okay? Here we will have four cage line. And since it's two-way, so that means here the first and the third will be like I would say set 0, okay? And this two will be set 1, okay? Yeah, set 0, set 1. And our instructions or addresses. Okay, for example, we have an address called 0110. And we need to break the address into three small things. That is the tag, the ID, or I would say the set ID, and the offset. Oh, offset. Yeah, set ID. And the tag is here, the set we should go here, and the offset is 0. Yeah, so that's clearly that we need to put this data into set 1, and offset you cannot mean the which line, okay? Because the set 0 will have line 0 and line 1, and for set 1 we will also have a line 0 and line 1. But yeah, actually here is 1, 2, 3. The actual cache line should name like this, but for each two set, we'll have two lines. Yeah. So yeah, for the example, it's like we want to put the tag 01 into set 1 and line 0. Okay, so is that has anything? Surely not. Initially, just empty. So yeah, mm, we have the table here and 0, 1, 1, 0. Empty, empty. Yeah, and we want to put into the um, line 0. So go here and others empty. For the hit and miss, you see it's the first time we want to call 01 and we do not have this, so it's compulsory. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the second step. Okay, I will try to say here means the set, here is the line, right? Okay, and here is you can say the data. Okay, so like the next step, we have 0, 0, 0, 0. Go to set 0 and line 0. Yeah, set 0, line 0. Yeah. And it's also the first time we need this data, so it's also a compulsory miss. And then we have the 0, 0, 1, 0. Go to set 1, line 0, set 1, line 0. Okay, since it has something inside, we will need to like move a plate for him. So what policy we are using is the LRU, sorry. So we will move the 0, 1 into another line and then put the 0, 0 inside. And also, it's the first time we call this 0, 0 in set 1, so it's also a compulsory miss. Yeah. So, and the 4 is the 0, 0, 0, 1. We would go to set 0, line 1, and actually we want to, the data we are fetching is already inside in the line 0, so it's a hit, and it will just stay here because we already get that. We will not need another place, another line to record our data, right? So here is a hit, and then is the 0011, right? 11. So here we'll keep the same, and we go to set 1, line 1, and yeah, that's the same because we already have the 00 inside. Here is already have it, already have it, and here is also we have it. So we will keep our data and not use another space. It's also a hit. And then is the 0100, set 0 and line 0, and there is something inside. We need to give the space for him, and so yeah, put it inside, and here keep the same for the set 1. So is it the first time? Oh, okay, I will use a color to mark the first time call. Okay, is the first time, is the first time, it is the first time, and yeah, it is the first time, so they are all compulsory. Yeah, and here we will call the 01. Okay, so it's also a first time, right? We didn't have 01 in set 0 before, so it's also a compulsory. And then we'll go with the 110, 1. Yeah, and set 0 and 1 to go to the line 1, but actually we're using the LRU. So yeah, we'll try to find the data. 10, is it inside? No. And based on the LRU, we should replace the 01 that the list reason use. That means I didn't use it before, for a long time, I mean, yeah. So we'll give it out and give the place for 10, right? 10, and for 01 will be the go to the line 2 or the second line, and here we'll keep the same. And is it the first time? Yes, right? We didn't have 10 before in set 0, and then we will have 000. You remember we have 0000 before, right? And yeah, it we have it before, and still we didn't have it now, right? So we still have to, based on RU, to give a place for 00, and the set 1 will keep the same. So here will not be compulsory. It will be because we have 00 before, so it will be you can say it's a conflict or capacity. Capacity is that we don't have enough room for our data, yeah, because we're already full. The 2 lines is already full. We don't have another lines, another room for the new 00 in Z0. So you can say it's a capacity or a conflict. Conflict is that, so like so many lines or data get into the same set. So you have to like replace something inside the set. So you can say it's a capacity or conflict. Yeah, capacity is that we don't have enough room. Conflict is that we are trying to map some data into the same line, right? Same line. Okay, so yeah, it's a miss. And then we'll go to the next is the 1010. Okay, 1010 go to set 1, and okay, set 0 will keep the same. And do we have 1 0 before? Actually no. So the main miss is the compulsory miss, right? We don't have it before. And then we'll go to the next is the 1 1 1 1, and here we'll keep the same. So 1 1 1 1 go to set 1, and do we have 1 1 before? No. So yeah, we will keep it, and the 0 0 will give away. And also it's the first time we call it, so it's a compulsory miss. And finally is the 0 1 1 1. Set 1 and 1 2. Did we have 0 1 before? Yes, we have it before. So yeah, set 0 will keep the same, and since we have it and we don't have enough room, it can be a capacity or a conflict, but no a compulsory. Okay, so yeah, the 1 0 will give away. Yeah, so here is the analysis for the question 4. I hope you can get the main idea is that the address will split into these 3 parts, right? And the data is, or the tag is what we want to what we want to recall, or you can say remember in the cache block. Or did I discuss that why it is 4? Because it's an 8 byte, and we will have 2 byte block. So each block is 2 bytes, and since we divide it, we will get 4 blocks, right? So we'll have 4 blocks here. Yeah. And based on the LRU, we will put the last. I mean, some data that is not used really frequently to give them away, to fly and flow them away. Yeah. Thank you.